are the advanced multimodal reasoning and dialogue capabilities. And this is the one of the most important popular LLMs we are using right now. Gemini 1.5 version, and this is offered by Google DeepMind. The long context reasoning capable of handling more than 1 million tokens at the same time. And Claude, this is offered by Anthropic, and Anthropic, one of the best case in last week, we have seen in the USA that is declared as a banned organization in US Secret Services because Anthropic have deployed their LLMs like Claude 3 and other features in the secret agencies. So safety focused, Anthropic was deployed their Claude 3, but now in near future, in upcoming 1 month or 2 months, we will see the OpenAI is also installed at the secret agency of the USA. So OpenAI is also being the part of the US secret agency. So safety focused, strong at reasoning and summarization is done by the OpenAI as well. Anthropic is also working the same, but OpenAI was dealing with that component of the multimodal reasoning. But now, in upcoming 1 or 2 months, OpenAI will work for the safety focus to the US agencies. Another popular LLM is LLaMA, and this is offered by Meta. Meta, the popular company that have launched the Facebook, Instagram as well. So LLaMA 3 is an open weight model, and this is popular in research and startups. And I am also using this LLaMA for my research. So OpenAI is GPT-4. We can compare LLaMA with the GPT-4 for their respective use cases. Another popular LLM is Mistral AI is used for efficient open source alternatives for developers. Suppose you are a software developer or AI developer and you want to use open source alternatives. Then Mistral 7B or Mixtral will be your best case. So you can use for your requirement. BERT and ROBART is available open for everyone, and this is open source for studying models. And when you want to convert one language